If you want to live, give me your phone, money, everything.
Please take it all and leave me alone. Friends, robberies are increasing these days. Today, robbers took my hard-earned money and phone, everything I had. To protect myself, I decided to make a wooden toy gun. It's not easy, but I must stay strong to survive. I work very hard, but few people like or subscribe to my videos. Only good boys and girls support my channel. If you are good, please like, subscribe, give a heart, and comment. My wooden toy gun is finished. Friends, how is it? Please comment. I want to give this toy to my friends. If you want it, write your name in the comments.